Guys, welcome back to the classroom. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the final component to our trading system. Before we enter a trade, we need to make sure on our standard entry rules that we have sufficient volume, okay? And so we use the Waddah Attar, W-A-D-D-A-H, Attar Explosion version 2 indicator for that. And when you click on add that to your chart, it will appear on your chart like this. Now ours are matching, like we changed the colors to coordinate with, our indicator, the rest of our indicators, so we can, when we drop a line, we make sure all the colors match, right? But otherwise, you can just bring it on your chart and this is what it looks like. So very, very easy to understand, to be honest with you. You have this blue cross line right here, and when it comes in your chart, this is going to be brown. This second line, this explosion line, is going to be like a brown color. I suggest turn it to a color that you can see it. We make ours white and very thick, and we turn the dead zone. I'm going to turn it yellow, but I'm going to keep it blue for this video, and we make it thick as well so we can see it. So when you're looking to go short, make sure that the bar is above both of these. And when you're looking to go long, make sure the red bar, whatever your short color bar, is over this. So this is, you can go short, here on these. This one is weak. This is weakness. This one is, weakness. Really not a good look right here because it's getting really weak. And then, right? Now, when you get ready to go long, meaning buy, make sure the green bar, this color green bar, is above both explosion lines, okay? Both lines. That's it. One of the things to just take note of is the slope of it. So what you don't want to do is enter a trade it's clearly sloping down, right? You don't want to enter a buy here because it's sloping down. It's losing steam, basically. So you got this volume, you got this big push, but there's no real movement there. That's a bad sign, okay? So when you see that, don't enter that trade. Otherwise, if it's sloping up or even sideways and it decides to, break above like that, that's fine. Okay, guys, that's it. That's how you use the Waddah Attar Explosion. If you change the colors, you just double click on it and you go to style and you can change your colors to match, your entry and, your exit colors and all that kind of stuff. That's all I want to show you. So the next video, we're going to put it all together, and then you're going to have a complete system using the SSL hybrid for a standard entry at least. Okay, talk soon, guys. See you in the classroom.